morning. It's time for our math lesson. Today is Monday, June 8th. It's the last week of school, boys and girls. And so let's finish strong and do our best to spend this last week getting ready for 5th grade. So for today's math lesson, we're going to continue working in Nearpod. So I'm going to show you how to access the Nearpod lesson and then also go through the slides with you so that it will help you when you go and do the lesson on your own. So as soon as you log into Schoology, of course, you're going to go to lms.lausd.net, use your LAUSD email and password, and then you are going to click Courses and choose your course. The page will look like this once you do that. And you can either go into your math folder and find today's lesson for June 8th there, or you can scroll down and on the side here under Monday, June 8th, you're going to see math points, lines, segments, and raise June 8th. So I'm going to click on that lesson. And then you're going to see this video in here. So you're probably already watching it from there or from Class Dojo. But once you get there, you're going to click this link called Nearpod June 8th. And it's going to take you into Nearpod to the lesson. You want to make sure that when you get in that you put your first and your last name, so that we know who you are. If you don't do that, then you won't get credit for your assignment. So today's lesson is on points, lines, line segments, raise, and angles. And so we're going to learn about that. So remember, these forward buttons take you to the next slide. The back buttons will take you back a slide if you miss something. So it says, today you will complete a few activities that will help you practice and deepen your understanding of 4.6a, identify points, lines, line segments, raise angles, and perpendicular and parallel lines. First, you will do a practice exercise, and then you will take a short quiz. So I'm going to press the forward button. It says, let's practice. On the next slide, you will practice identifying points, lines, line segments, raise, and angles in a fun and competitive activity. You will race to the top of the mountain by answering questions quickly and accurately. Remember, perpendicular lines are intersecting lines. So then you're going to see this, and it is a game. You're going to answer the questions. It's called Time to Climb. And you're going to choose a character that you want to be. I'll choose the turtle. And then you can put start. All right, so you're gonna do true, false. And I am not actually gonna take the Time to Climb. So you are going to answer those questions. I'm not going to answer the questions. So you will answer the questions. It gives you 90 seconds to do the whole thing. When you answer the question, the next question will automatically pop up. So I'm going to push forward. You're not going to do that. You're actually going to take the Time to Climb quiz. Okay. So now you will put your knowledge to the test by taking a short quiz. As you take the quiz, remember to take your time and try your best. Oh, my picture is covering the lines here. It says, which term can be used to name lines R and K? So here's line R and here's line K. What would be the correct names for those lines? Would it be intersecting, parallel, or perpendicular lines? You're going to choose your answer, and then you're going to put next. Which term can be used to name lines M and K? So here's line M here, And line K here, is it intersecting, perpendicular, parallel, or both A and B? You're going to choose your answer and then you're going to put next. Omar draws 2 lines. The lines are always 3 centimeters apart and do not intersect. Which term can be used to name what Omar drew? So intersecting, perpendicular, or parallel lines, you're going to choose your answer and then you're going to put submit. I didn't answer the question, so it's warning me that I didn't, but I'm going to go on anyway. You won't do that. You will make sure you answered your questions. Of course, I have 0 correct because I did not do anything, so it will give you your score. And then you're going to take a poll. How confident do you feel in your ability to identify points, lines, line segments, rays, and angles? So you're either going to say very confident, somewhat confident, or not at all confident, and you're going to submit your answer. And that's it for today. Tomorrow will be another Nearpod lesson going over things that we see that you still need based on this lesson. Okay, hope you have a great day and we will see you tomorrow.